everybody. It's Seth Jones, Editor-In-Chief of Golfdom Magazine. I'm at the 2026 GCSAA Conference and Show in Orlando, and I'm at the Bernhard booth. I'm being joined by Steven Nixon. Steven, thanks for taking some time. I know you guys have been busy.
Yeah, I've been really busy. Incredible. So first day of the show on Wednesday. It was busy. I've seen it for a long time. So
Good.
A lot of business came through, yeah.
Fantastic. Now, I know a lot of people are coming over because they want to talk about what's going on with Bernhard and Soil Scout. Can you first just introduce me to Soil Scout?
Of course, yeah. So Soil Scout we've been working with for quite a number of years in Europe and on some other projects that we do with sub-air systems, etc. But more recently we've been selling it independent, and we've now decided to bring it to the North American market, and we're going to be selling it through our existing distribution network, which we cover every state with our famous grinders, as you know. And yeah, it's a product that's made in Europe, and it's unique. There's many soil moisture sensors out there, but what makes ours unique is the design, really. So this sensor, you can just take a hole cutter and cut a hole in the green and throw the sensor in. It's totally wireless. There's no lithium in there, so it's very safe. If you hit it with a spike or anything like that, it's not going to explode or put lithium into the soil profile. And that battery will last is guaranteed for 10 years. So it transmits a signal every 20 minutes, and it measures soil moisture in the soil, salinity, and the soil temperature. So that's really cool. But then what's actually brand new is its brother, which is called a Happy 100, and that measures moisture and temperature, but for the first time ever we can measure oxygen, which is a game changer, because everything in turf, how we manage up to date, we can take a measurement of oxygen levels, which is probably the most critical part of any living thing to exist, is oxygen. Now we can measure it, and we can get a measurement every 10 minutes in our pocket onto our phones of what's happening in the soil from a moisture and an oxygen point of view. So we can start measuring some of our practices better and being able to gauge it. So it brings another set of data that's absolutely crucial to turf management. So this is really exciting.
Fantastic. What gets measured gets done, right?
Exactly.
So, and here's the dashboard all right here.
Here's the dashboard, yeah. So you can have as many sensors as you want or as little as you want, and it'll just compile all this data and build up a picture for the superintendent to be able to make good decisions.
Okay, great. Steven, I appreciate your time. At Bernhard booth, guys, it's not just grinders. These guys are doing things for underground too. So congrats on the success of Soil Scout and bringing it to the station.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Everybody, this is Steven Nixon. I'm Seth Jones. We appreciate you watching us here on Golfdom TV.